Hey guys, I want to show you some of the top tips and tricks for Planning Center. When you log in, you're probably just going to see this college folder here. So just click on it. And it's going to show you all the services that we've got scheduled upcoming. If you want to add another plan, just click Add, select the number of plans that you want to add. You can copy times from a previous plan and tell it when you want to start. Alright, so let's click on this one. Look at your times. We've got the service time at 6 o'clock, and then we've got a rehearsal time. If you want to add another time, you can do that. If you want to adjust the rehearsal time, you can change the date and the time for that. And then we have reminders set up to go out a day before to the band and vocals and the tech. You can make those on different days if you want to, or not at all. Now, adding people to this plan. So you have all of these different positions already set up by default, and if you don't need somebody like one of these positions, or if you want to add another violin, just click the plus or the minus. So let's add a bass. Let's add Blake. You can see if you want to delete somebody off the team, you can do it there. Doug has blocked these dates out, so that just lets you know he's not available. If you want to add somebody to the team, you can just start typing a name. And I would never use this person in your service, but there you go. This yellow means that they're scheduled somewhere else at that same time. I'm already scheduled on ProPresenter, but we're going to keep Blake because he's all right. Let's put the Mandalorian in on drums, and let's put Lindsay in on keys. And then you can fill out the rest of your team. Now let's add a song. There's two ways that you can add a song here. You can hit add an item and then go down to add a song. You'll see all these filters here, and you'll see all the songs that we have in our database, and you can start typing in a word and it will filter the list down, and you can pick a song. You click on it, you can pick the key that you want to use, and then you hit accept, and it's there, and you can drag it into place wherever you want to. You can also click on songs over here, pick the song, drag it in wherever you want to in the order. Now let's say that we have a new song that we want to add, brand new. You can create a song. If you start typing words here, it's going to show you popular recordings that they already have a lot of the information on. We're going to add a brand new song to our database. And so you can add some information about the song. You can put the key that it's in. You can add a capo chart if you want to here. If you hit submit, it's just going to give you a little bit more space for information. Just like before, you're going to add it in. So now let's add some links to it. Let's say this is just a 1 minute arrangement, and give it some time and give it a meter for default. But we want to add a chord chart. So you could start typing it in, or you could just get your lyrics from someplace. WorshipTogether.com has a lot of great chord charts that you can just copy paste in here. I'm just going to copy the lyrics in. Make sure that this is the original key that you're putting your chord chart in. Now, when you're adding your chords, instead of typing them above the lyrics, anchor them here within the text. And there you go. Now, a cool feature is if you want to do the chorus again, but because the energy's building, you want to take it up a notch and do a key change. Go over here and hit transpose key, and it is going to transpose the chord chart for you. If you say you want it to go up 2 steps, it's going to change it to E. That's pretty sweet. If you want to create a sequence to where maybe we're going to add the verse and then we're going to do the chorus, that will show up on the top of the chart so that you know what the verse chorus order is. If you want to add a demo, just pick your audio file and drag it in. But I also want to transpose it. Let's say I want to add an arrangement that I want to do in A flat. And I can click here and put a capo chart in any key that I want. And there's my A flat arrangement. I can go right here and transpose my demo in D to A flat, and it will transpose it and put it there. You can also hit this plus to add Spotify and YouTube attachments. If there's already an existing arrangement to a song and it's not exactly what you want, add a new arrangement and just call it C2 arrangement. That way we don't mess up a previous arrangement maybe somebody's put in that has a specific key change or something. And then we go back to our plans, and there's our song, and you go over here and you can hover and see that here's all the attachments that we've added to it. When you've got all this together and you've got your plan made, just hit email, and it's going to send an email to all your teams, and it's going to go to these people here, and then you all will get a notification about that. And that's how you do some basic things in Planning Center. Hope this helps.